Hello and welcome back. So today I'm really excited. We have got a new coin in from the Royal Mint. Should be, if my memory serves me correctly, the silver-proof Captain Cook coin, which has recently come out. So I'm excited to get into it. And I guess I kind of got something extra, which I know I have been doing recently. I have got myself both, because it is one in a 3-part set. I did get the 2018 one as well, because I'm a sucker and I can't stop buying these silver-proof coins. I've been well and truly bitten by the silver-proof bug. But I thought if I buy this one and then next year I buy the third one, I want the first one. And the first one was still available at the Royal Mint, so I thought, oh, you know what, I'll treat myself to it. So before we actually get into the silver-proof ones, I did also get the 2019 bunk one, which is there. It's such a cool design, isn't it? Very happy with that. I won't open that because I don't normally open these. They just go straight into my collection. But the 2017 one wasn't available on the Royal Mint website anymore, so I did have to get this one off of eBay, which I actually got for a reasonable price. It wasn't much over the £10 that they cost from the Royal Mint. But there we go. That's that one as well. Hang on, that's the 2018 one. The other one's the 2019 one. God, I can't even keep track of the years, can I? Now, the only thing is, I'm not sure how this will work. How the coin gets, how you get the 3 in a set. I imagine, well, I'd have to open it, won't I? I don't know. I'm going to be well annoyed if next year you can get the set with all 3 in them, because I know I'll probably end up buying that too. But there we go. That's the bunk one from last year. Very cool. So which one should we get into first? Let's get into the first one, the 2018 one. So there we go. This is the Voyage of Discovery, coin 1. So this is a 2018 silver-proof £2 coin. Treasure for life, we always will. What does it say? So, in the summer of 1768, 250 years ago, or 251 years ago now, Captain James Cook set sail for Tahiti aboard HM Bark Endeavour. His voyages expanded our understanding of the world beyond known horizons. He made scientific discoveries, surveyed uncharted waters, opened new trading routes, and made history his own. Gary Breeze's design to celebrate Captain Cook's voyage of discovery spans these 3 £2 coins released over 3 years, which can be placed together to reveal the full design. For the 2018 coin, looking back to 1768, we see the stern of Endeavour leaving Plymouth. In the background there is a map and the number 250 marking the anniversary. Well, let's get into it, shall we? As ever, we've got a little pamphlet which I'll have a flick through so you can see, but I won't read it through it all. But if you want to pause and have a read of your own, feel free to. Oh, is that the ship there? Or a picture of what the ship would have looked like? Very cool. Whitby. And is this the course that he took, maybe? Very cool. And there's the designer, Gary Breeze. Lovely. So let's have a look at the coin itself. Holy smokes. Isn't that lovely? So that's the stern of the ship leaving Plymouth, did it say? Wow. Lovely design. There we go, 2018 at the top there. I was looking for the year. What does that say? I don't know. This is Plymouth. Plymouth bound, Plymouth round, possibly. Lovely. Well, I really like that. What number did we get? I imagine it'll be quite a high number because it's been up there for a year. 2,946. And what's the max mintage? 5,000. So actually, just over halfway through the set. 3/5, maybe? I don't know. Well, I like that. It's silver plated with fine gold. Smashing. So that was last year's one. Like I said, thankfully was still available. And then this year's one. That's a cool picture, isn't it? Very cool. So there's something different on here. The Adventures of Captain Cook. Captain James Cook changed the understanding of the world through his voyages. He charted new waters, expanded known horizons, and forged new routes between Britain and the rest of the world. A series of 3 coins celebrates 250 years since Cook's famous voyage to Tahiti and the uncharted lands of the Pacific Ocean. This coin is part of a unique design that spans 3 £2 coins released over 3 years. So, should we have a look at this one too? Of course we'll have a look. Imagine the outroar I'd have if I just went, okay, cool, end of video, see ya. So, the Voyage of Discovery. There we go. Again, we'll have a look through this, but I won't spend too much time on the pages, but you can feel free to pause if you want to read or have a bit more of a look at these. Again, designed by Gary Breeze. Oh, he didn't make it into the picture this time. Oh well. So let's have a look at the coin then. Wowee, look at that. So is this, oh, we got the sails here. A bit of a big dot next to the 9 there in the 2019. Sure, that's deliberate. Well, I never. What a lovely, lovely coin. Where's the bunk one gone again? We better look at it. Yeah, so the dot's next to the 9 on that one too. So we had a bit more information on the last one. The second coin in this series represents Captain Cook's time at Tahiti, or Otaheite, in 1769, with the mast of HM Bark Endeavour below a celestial image of transit of Venus. Gary Breeze uses a font of his own for the inscription on the circumference of the coin, in contrast to the text that highlights the key locations of his expedition, such as Otaheite. Oh yeah, there's something we didn't look at. What was the... Okay, let's look at what number we got. Number 2577. Imagine if you got all 3 with the same number. That'd be quite neat, wouldn't it? So, what does it say? 5,000 maximum mintage, edge inscription. Oceana Investigator. ACERRIMVS. Very cool. What did it say on the other one? Oh, let's get back into it. I always forget to check these bits. So on last year's one, it said nothing. Surely it said something. Maybe not. I would have thought it would though, wouldn't you? Yeah, it does, look. See something written there. It says Investigator. Oh, it says the same. Oceana's Investigator. I can't really show it because... Oh, there we go. What way round is it? What? You have to take my word for it. I can't get the focus to work on that. Wow, well that is smashing. So, let me know down in the comments. Are you getting the silver proof one? Are you getting the monk ones? Smashing coin set. Can't wait till next year. Let's hope they don't sell out too quickly next year, because I want to be able to get my hands on that final piece of the puzzle. But no, very neat. So, all that leaves me to do now is thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye.